We're looking at a Vista suite on board the brand newly refurbished Oceania Insignia. And hi guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. So this is the entry half bath. Of course, brand new doors on every room. So you still have a little dial thermostat there that is in Celsius. And these are the welcome envelopes that you get when you stay in the nice Vista suite. You do have a Butler phone you can take with you around the ship. Have a nice look here in the main salon. So brand new furniture. Everything is totally redone here on the Insignia in 2019. You get a complimentary bar setup, Butler service, all the best services of Oceania you get here in the Vista suite, with brand new Samsung TVs, Sonos soundbars, complimentary bottled water, of course, on board. A really nice chrome trim. And it looks like a gloss swangy style cabinet. Of course, you get welcome Pommery, Petit Fours, and you'll have a fruit basket here as well. So we'll take a look here at the nice Vista suite for you. Really nice artwork on Oceania. Of course, you'll have brand new side tables and coffee tables. I think it's a live plant. Yep. And this is the new master bedroom. Looks much better than before. If you watch my old videos on the Regatta, you'll see the difference. It's pretty much night and day here. You do have a nice vanity desk. Of course, brand new USB plugs, American and international ports, vanity mirror, Bulgari amenities. Excellent closet space with the robes. You have slippers underneath, umbrellas for use. They do have free self-laundry, and you do get some complimentary laundry included as well. You have more closet space over here. They have safes, hair dryers are all included in the rooms. Another Samsung TV. Of course, a big king bed. And Oceania does have the special Sweet Dreams pillow menu to go along with their Oceania special mattresses that they have. There's more information about that on their website. They have all the different kinds of pillows if you want down or buckwheat or this or that. They have them all hypoallergenic. And that's the new telecom system. And now we're looking in the master bath. Single sink here. And nice good sized mirror. More of the Bulgari amenities. Single head, and you have a nice large walk-in shower with a rainfall head. Shaking a little bit. And removable shower head as well, and shower seat. Of course, you have a scale. You can see how much weight you're going to gain on the cruise. All right, let's finish up outside here. Of course, we are looking at downtown Miami today here in October, and look at all the fish jumping. Probably some tarpon or dolphins chasing them around. Now we have two lounge chairs with ottomans as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Vista suite here on board the newly refurbished Oceania Insignia. Again, I'm Mike. I am a luxury travel agent. I do represent and recommend Oceania Cruises. And if you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Oceania, I want to hear from you about it. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Oceania's North American offices, not through Europe, UK, Australia, not through another travel agent. You did it within the past 30 days and you're not paid in full. There's a really good chance I can still improve on the offer you have, and I'll be glad to do it. So either way, if you're not booked or recently booked, I'm going to try and improve the best offer that you have. And of course, if you're a serious inquiry, you can contact me today at 305-851-3308 or submit your inquiry on the website affluentjourneys.com. Now, if you want to see all my special offers and exclusive deals that I get, including those on Oceania, make sure to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook and give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see some other things that I do. Now, if you can, please hit like on the video down below. Subscribe here to Affluent Journeys on YouTube if not already. That helps me a lot. And put your comments down below so others can learn from your experience, maybe if you've sailed here on Oceania, and decide if it's something right for them. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next one.